Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 20th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, happy Easter Sunday. I wanted to make this video today during the full top-down analysis on these pairs because I highly recommend anybody to do a full top-down analysis at least once a day, even if you are trading like the 1 minute time frame. The higher time frames are so important no matter what time frame you're trading on. Now, the reason why I've been so bullish is because of these higher time frames. If you look at the monthly, we got a nice five-wave move up, wave A. We got a nice 1, 2, 3 wave down, wave B. It is a lower low wave B, which is why I know that it's either going to turn out to be a running or an expanding. I definitely think it's an expanding because this wave one is going to be too big for this to not turn into an expanding. So if it really is an expanding, I would probably be targeting these pretty high levels, maybe even all the way up to like 1.5 to maybe even 1.55 area. But I think this is a wave one of C. I think this is a wave two of C, and I think we're in a trend right now for the wave C, for the wave three of C. I think this is eventually going to end up looking something like this. It's obviously going to probably take years for this to play out, but I think this is a wave C of a running or an expanding ABC correction. So going down to the weekly time frame, now you can start to see the trends within trends. I have it marked as an A or 1 or B or 2, just so I don't get surprised either way. But I personally think it's a wave 1. I think we had a running ABC correction for the wave 2, and I think we are in a wave 3 trend right now. And remember, wave 3s are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. It needs to be bigger and probably stronger than this wave 1 was. So definitely keep that in mind. As we go down to the daily time frame, now you're starting to see the trends within a trend. We're most likely looking at only a wave one of a five-wave trend that's going to end up forming on the weekly and the monthly time frame. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're probably in a wave 5 of wave 1 right now. Definitely no signs of this wave 5 being over. Eventually, it probably is going to have to make a correction to the whole 5 waves up for wave 2. Doesn't have to happen now. It could continue up more, then eventually make a big pullback for wave two, and eventually go up for the wave three, because this trend needs to be 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3. That's why I say we're only in a wave one of a big trend on the much higher time frames. So bringing it down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can start to now see the trend for just a wave five of this wave up. So wave five of one. So now we see a 1, 2, we see a 3, 4. We probably are in a wave 5 of 5 right now. So if we do get a break of structure, it could tell us that the wave 1 is complete. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, this is likely a wave 3, this is likely a wave 4, and this is likely a wave 5. And this is the 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, which is actually a wave 5 of wave 1, if you understand what I was talking about on the higher time frames. So what's going to tell us that this trend is definitely over? Taking out the low of wave 4 is what's going to tell us that this trend is over. And if we can identify the end of a wave 5, then we've also probably identified the end of a wave 1 on the daily time frame, which means we're probably making a wave 2 of a correction to the whole wave 1 on the daily. So all this wave 2 correction is not going to be confirmed until we get out a break of structure for the wave 4. If we get a little break of structure here, then it probably is going to tell us that it's over, but it's not really going to, we're not going to know for sure until it takes out the low of wave 4. So that is the full top-down analysis. That's why I've been so bullish on the dollar pairs, is because of the much higher time frames and the fact that we are in a wave 3 on the higher time frames. Wave 3s are the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. This does not have to go down and break structure this coming up week. It could easily keep going up, especially because the wave 3 is a big, strong wave. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.